So, hello guys, I am gonna tell you how to remove the copyright claim of a video within minutes. So, I will show you a video that has a copyright claim. Okay, I have used this trick 2 or 3 times to remove. Look at that a video that shows that I uploaded a long time ago. Okay, it's a short video. I will show you it's I'm scrolling down. I already have one and I will show you just how to remove the copyright claims. I This is 100% working and this is the option that YouTube gives us. Okay, look at this video. Look, I have a copyright claim and it's mainly due to the songs. We all know that copyright claim is caused by the song, so all we need to is mute or replace the song, but you can't see a option for that. That's why, or another option is to remove that copyright, delete the video. Okay, so in this video I am gonna show how to remove copyright claims without deleting the video. Okay, so first we all need to do is open the Chrome and go to the Chrome. Okay, all you need to do is open the Chrome and I am just going back. You can see I am okay. Here is the Chrome. We need to open it and I will tell and type on there studio.youtube. I got a shortcut. I just okay, you can see a shortcut button, or you manually enter studio.youtube.com, then click on the continue to the studio. Okay, I am just using the white dot to show where I am touching. Okay, now it's loading due to slow internet. It's quite slow and it's opening, and you can see that thanks for your support. I got the 250 watch hours, but not for the including shorts. Okay, so thanks for your support, and open the content where we can see our videos. So just open that, and here I will show the video that has copyright claim. Just let me scroll down. Okay, so guys, we found. Just click on the copyright claim button, click on see details. So you guys can see, then click on the select action. Okay, click on the select action, click on the mute song or replay song. I am choosing a replay song, and here you can see the songs are loading, some which is free to use, and this song will not give you copyright claims. I just zoomed to. Okay, from here choose any song. Okay, and then just playing that song if I like it or not. Okay, I did not like these songs. I am choosing my favorite one from here. You can choose this is the YouTube's audio library. You can also use the songs from no copyright songs, but you can do this to remove the copyright claims. Already you can only use that for future videos. Okay, then that was my copyrighted song name. I was just searching my favorite song and it will appear. Whenever I will get the favorite song, I will tell what did you need to do. Okay, first you can also search there, and from you can only get the songs which are in the audio library. Then there is a song. Now this song looks like boring to me. So now, unfortunately, I clicked what happened. Clear some recent apps. The song is playing and I could not do anything. Just let me choose any other song. Okay. Now looks like my device got some relief. Here I am choosing my favorite song. Searching. Yes, I like this song. I used it on a previous video. And click on the add, then click on the save button, and now then click on the again save button. This will take some time, but not a release. Now remove it. You can close this pop-up but not the browser. I don't know whether closing browser will help. I am not closing. Okay, let's wait for a few just minutes. Now it is checking on our edited video. Now you can see that my copyright claim got removed. Let's hear. Now restrictions done. Then I am also going to YT Studio. You can see that. You can see that I have no copyright claim for that video. Look, I am going here to now you can't see any copyright claim. I can also go in the website to show you that remove copyright. Okay, so you can use this trick for removing the copyright on uploaded video. So guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe if helpful.